Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Hescock's back here, working on 7A, Chapter 3. There's a little bit of stuff left to talk about with DNA and this protein synthesis. We talked about the structure of DNA the last time. Now we're moving on into how DNA replicates and how proteins are made from your DNA. So, the 3 steps of DNA replication: DNA unzips, new bases matches up to the original bases, and then eventually you'll come up with one new strand that is actually half old and half new. It looks like this. So here's one strand of DNA, and I've unzipped it. And there's an A, here's a T, here's a C, here's a G, G, C, T, A. And it just keeps getting bigger and bigger, A, and T over here. So what's going to happen? Proteins cause these to unlock, unzip, and then we'll start to bring in new pieces. So if this is a T, we'll bring in an A. If that's an A, I'll bring in a T. T and A and T. And then this will continuously make a template for our new piece of DNA. And that is DNA replication. The red here is the old DNA that actually tells the new DNA, the other half, how to be made. Feel free to try these games at home. They're pretty good to synthesize this. DNA controls protein synthesis. So DNA is like the recipe. And then that recipe has to be read from the cookbook to make cookies. And the DNA has a code, and I'll show you how that works here next. That code is read by messenger RNA, and then the messenger RNA goes to the ribosome and we build our protein. So we have a strand of DNA. A, C, G, T, A, G, G, A, T, T. So we make it nice and short. So this is in the nucleus. The mRNA has to match up to the DNA. Now the mRNA is different than DNA. So A in T, there's no T in RNA, so this would be U, G, C, A, U, C, C, U, A, U. And then this would actually be in a strand. Now this strand of mRNA will travel out to the ribosome. The ribosome has 2 parts. And these 2 parts kind of sandwich the mRNA strand. And we'd start here with this UGC. Well, all of these letters are all going to be on here. AUC, CUA, and it goes on and on and on. And then we have these tRNAs that match up. So this would be A, C, G. And the tRNAs bring in an amino acid. So another one would come in, that would be a U, A, G. And it brings in an amino acid. AA in this case represents amino acid. The ribosome connects these amino acids together, and as it moves down the line, you get a longer and longer chain, and this becomes our protein. From here to here, it's called transcription. Then this part down here is called translation. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that takes me to the end of translation protein synthesis. Make sure you watch this as many times as you need and get your work done. Until next time, see ya.